guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi from Gigi's Canvas, and thank you again for joining me in another video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be using this Carnival Palette by BPerfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie makeup artist. Stacey Marie is a makeup artist. She is amazing and talented. So anyhow, she collaborated with BPerfect, and this is the palette. It is so amazing. It is so beautiful. It is so bright. It has 17 matte shades, 7 high pigment shimmers, and 2 highlighters, which is those 2. It is gorgeous. So ever since she came up with it, I knew that I wanted to buy it. I didn't know how much it was going to be, so I went onto the website, and the price was $39.99, which after conversion, shipping, and all that stuff, it ended up being like $70 for the palette. I know, but it did ship from, I believe, Ireland or the UK, one of those two, and it didn't take too long to get here. It did take about a week and a half, 2 weeks, which that is nothing. But now that I have it and that I play with it and that I see how amazing the formula is, I don't care. That was worth every penny. So today I created this super colorful peacock inspired eye look. We have some blues, some greens, some yellows, so super bright, a little bit different just to change it up in my channel. I'm excited to show you guys how I created this look. If you want to see how I created this, then don't go anywhere and keep on watching. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to prime like always, and I'm going to be using my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I'm just going to apply this evenly on the lid. And I'm just tapping that base down because guess what, guys? I am not going to set my base. Apparently, the best way for the pigment to show through is if you don't set your eyeshadow base. So I am just tapping it to make sure that it doesn't get sticky. The first shade I'm gonna go into is this one right here, and it's called Sky. And I'm gonna take my Sigma E25, and I'm going to start by applying it on the crease. Not really blending it, but more like just pushing the color onto the crease. This color is so beautiful. I freaking love it. Ugh. And I'm not bringing this color all the way to the inner crease. I'm just stopping right here. Now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is Mint, and my Morphe Y15, and I'm going to start blending out that sky color upwards a little bit. Now with the same Mint shade, I'm gonna go back and bring this color inwards a little bit. And this is a MAC brush, I really don't know the name, but I'm going to drag this towards the inner corner and diffuse that blue a little bit more. This is by far my favorite palette that I have ever played with. It is so freaking beautiful. Now taking this dark blue color here in the name Mood and my Morphe G18, and I'm going to place this color just on the outer corner and bringing it up towards half the crease a little bit more. I'm going to take this ColourPop concealer and I'm going to clean the lid so that the next colors I apply go on a little bit more true to color. gonna dip into this color right here, which is Recharge, and my Morphe M421. And I'm going to pack it from where that dark blue meets and the center of the lid. I'm not even wetting my brush. And then dipping back into that dark navy blue, which is Mood, and blending that Recharge shadow out. Then with a small brush, I really don't know where this is from, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade Breezy and apply it right next to that other blue shade. I don't even have to work hard with these shadows, you know. Sometimes you have to blend a lot of shadows out there so that they could look decent. This one, you really don't have to do much, guys. It just does it for you. And that's when you know the formula is really good. With another super precise brush, I think this one's from MAC. It's freaking old as dirt. I'm gonna take this shade right here, Moony. Going to pack it right here towards the tear duct. How do you guys feel about me filming right here where my vanity is? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? I just wanted to switch it up, and honestly this is where I have all of my makeup, so it's easier for me to just grab everything. So yeah. I'm also gonna apply that same color and highlight my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go into this gorgeous yellow shade called Keen and my Morphe Y22. And I'm going to apply that right here. And also right here. I'm going to take the Stila Glitter and Low Liquid Eyeshadow and my Morphe M250-0, and I'm going to add the little detail on the top of the lid. And then also apply a little bit of that in the tear duct. I really don't want that glitter line too thick, so going with the corresponding shadow, I'm going to clean it up a bit. I'm going to quickly line my eyes because you know that is complicated to do, so, and I will be right back. First I'm gonna go into my new primer, which is this one by Tatcha. I did a review in Spanish, but I never got to review it in English. It's alright. I mean, does it feel nice on the skin? Yes. Is there other primers that I have that are half the price and do the same? Yup. So for example, I feel like it's super similar to this one, Touch in Soul No Pore Blim Primer. This one is $20 at Sephora, so, and I feel like it does the same thing. For today's foundation, I'm gonna go into this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in shade 106. I'm gonna take my Morphe sponge and go to town. Redness, go away. Pimples, go away. For concealers, I'm going to be going in with two. I'm going to take my Shape Tape in Light Neutral and my Revolution Conceal and Define in C10. I love this concealer. And now with this one, I'm just going to go over top a little bit. Guys, I'm so excited. I finally got an email from Morphe in regards to the Vault collection. I'll be getting my palette pretty soon. The new launch, I think it's August 13, but for anybody that had bought it before, we're gonna be getting it ahead of time, so I'm so excited. I will let you guys know when I have it, and I am going to do more tutorials with that palette because I didn't get a chance to use them all. I only used two, so I will keep you guys posted. Going into my BPerfect powder, I'm gonna set my under eyes. For my face powder, I'm gonna go into my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in shade 230 and my Morphe Y6. I'm gonna take my MAC Give Me Sun, and that's it. Same brush. And I'm going to add a little more. Then I'm going to contour just a little bit with that same Hoola bronzer that I always use. For blush, I'm gonna take this Bazar palette from Tarte, shade right here, which is Angelic. And I'm gonna apply just the slightest hint of color because the eyes are super intense. We really don't want a lot of color. I'm gonna be taking is that King color. I'm going to place it down here. Then go in with that Breezy shade. And then our Recharge shade, of course. And to blend everything together, I'm gonna take that shade Mint and I'm going to just run it underneath all those shades. Before highlighter, I'm going to quickly set my face, and I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus in Goldlite. And for highlighter, this palette also comes with 2 shades. We have here a shade Sinner and Saint. I think I'm going to mix both of them together. Not my ultimate favorite, but it's pretty. For lips, I'm going to keep it extremely nude, and that's because the eyes are really heavy, so the lips have to be as nude as possible. And my go-to lip whenever I do an intense eye is this one right here. This one is Mannequin by Jeffree Star. Guys, so this is the finished look using the BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival Palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie. So what are my thoughts on the Carnival Palette? Guys, I am obsessed. I love this palette. This is now my favorite palette. It is amazing quality. I am so glad that I jumped on the boat and I went ahead and purchased it. Yes, it was a little bit pricey, but let me tell you, it is worth every penny. The shadows here, I mean, come on, you saw. They are so pigmented, so bright. They blend like butter. So yes, this palette right here gets two huge thumbs from me. I'm going to be creating a lot more looks with this palette now that I know that it works the basics. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so that you know anytime there's a new video in this channel. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel and that has been there since day one for me. I really truly appreciate each and every one of you. So just putting it out there. Thank you. And as always, don't forget that the world is your canvas, so make it pretty. Mwah! Love you guys. Bye. I will see you on my next video. Bye.